Hey guys, it's me, James here. Yeah, making a video. This is my pocket knife. And I have some pictures of other guns. No, Logan. Yeah, Logan's trying to play with this pocket knife. It's real, see, you can see it. But it comes with all sorts of blades. That you see right there, it has that blade, and then another one has this blade. This blade real quick, and then this key. Well, there's two blades, and I got scissors right here. Everything you need in survival. Got my scissors. Aww. And I have my bottle openers just in case. My bottle, my soup opener. Put in a while I get soup. And my bottle opener. So all you need to do is just open. I also have this thing, just drills into wood. Get me maggots if I have to. I don't know what this is for, but it's cool. I don't know what this is for. This right here to clean your nails. Sharp. No, that's not it. Tiny knife. It was like, bah, and just stab it. I'm fighting. I got me a screwdriver. Diamond head. Screwdriver. So, you see my pocket knife? I have pictures of my van. I will not use for YouTube because I'm not sure what it will do. No. See ya.